If an app on your Firestick is frozen, stuck loading, or won't respond, let's fix it step by step. We'll start with the quickest fix. Force stopping the app without uninstalling it or removing your data. Press the home button on your remote if the app is still open, then move to the settings icon. Open Settings, then select Applications. Inside Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. You'll now see a list of every app installed on your Firestick. Scroll until you find the app that's frozen. Select the frozen app to open its management page. At the top of the app page, you'll see the Force Stop option. Select Force Stop to completely close the app. Choose OK to confirm that you want to force stop the app. The app is now completely closed. Press the Home button to return to the Fire TV home screen. Now open the same app again and see if it starts normally. If the app is still frozen, the next step is restarting your Fire TV stick. Go back to the Fire TV home screen, then open Settings. Inside Settings, scroll across and select My Fire TV. Open My Fire TV, then select Restart. Select Restart one more time to reboot your Fire TV stick. Wait while your Fire TV stick restarts. This usually takes less than a minute. When the home screen appears again, the restart is complete. If the app is still frozen after restarting, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. Go back to the home screen, then open Settings. Inside Settings, select Network. You'll now see available Wi-Fi networks. Find the network your Fire TV is connected to. Open your connected network to check the connection status and signal strength. If your Fire TV shows a weak signal or disconnects frequently, restart your Wi-Fi router. If the app is still freezing, let's clear its cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted. Go back to Settings, then Applications, and open Manage Installed Applications again, and select the frozen app. On the App Management page, select Clear Cache. Press Clear Cache and wait a few seconds while Fire TV removes the temporary files. Open the same app and check whether it loads normally this time. If the app is still freezing, it may be running an older version. Let's check if an update is available. From the Fire TV home screen, open the Appstore. Search for the app that's freezing, then open its store page. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button instead of Open. Select Update and wait for the latest version to download and install. When the update finishes, the Open button will appear. Open the app and check whether it starts without freezing. If the app is still frozen, let's reinstall it. This removes the app from your Fire TV stick and installs a fresh copy. Open Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications, and select the frozen app again. On the App Management page, scroll down and select Uninstall. Choose Uninstall again to remove the app from your Fire TV stick. Now open the App Store, search for the app again, and select Download. When the installation finishes, select Open to launch the app. If the app still freezes after reinstalling it, check for a Fire TV software update. From the home screen, open Settings. Inside Settings, select My Fire TV. Select About to view your Fire TV device information. On the About screen, select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and let your Fire TV finish the update without unplugging it. Your Fire TV stick may restart automatically during the update. Wait until the home screen appears again. When your Fire TV finishes restarting, open the app again and check if it works normally. If none of the previous fixes worked, resetting your Fire TV stick to its factory settings may solve the problem. Scroll down and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Read the warning, then select Reset to erase your device. Keep it plugged in for several minutes until the setup screen appears. Once the welcome screen appears, follow the steps to connect to Wi-Fi, sign in, and reinstall your apps. Your Fire TV stick should now be working normally. Please like and subscribe if this guide helped.